Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Kafka on your Windows 10 or 11 computer, create a topic and start the server so that you can do your development work on your Windows machine using Kafka. Okay, so the issue is Kafka requires a lots of configuration. If you just simply download the binary file and add it to your environment variable, then you need to do some configuration, and there are some plugins missing on a Windows 11 computer, so you can run into lots of issues. So the best solution is to use WSL, or even better is using Docker Desktop, which is powered by WSL. Okay, so in this setup I'll use the simplest approach, which is using Docker Desktop, and I have video tutorials on how to install WSL and then install Docker Desktop on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. The video link will be in the description. So let's just simply do it on my machine. So first of all, you have to have your Docker Desktop up and running. So I have it already up and running. If you do not have it, open it and your Docker Desktop will be running in the background. So after having it running in the background, just simply open your command prompt and you can just simply type commands to do the things which I'll be showing here step by step. So the first command is to pull the Kafka image from Docker Hub, the official image, and from version 4 you do not need to have Zookeeper running as a separate server. Zookeeper is the cluster manager which manages everything for Kafka. So from Kafka version 4 you do not need that anymore. It is managed by Kcrypt by default. So the first command is this. I'm running the Kafka image as a container. So the name of the container is given as Kafka, and it will be running on 9092 both inbound and outbound port. And here this is the latest version 4.1.1, or I can just simply type latest. Okay, so if the image is not available locally, it will pull from Docker Hub. So as you can see, currently it is pulling from Docker Hub. So let's wait for it to complete. So now the Kafka image was pulled and a container was ran. So let's check. Yeah, as you can see, Kafka container is up and running. If you want to double check, you can just simply see the log inside the Kafka container. And here, as you can see, Kafka server started inside the container. So now we have to create our container and we can create message, and we can produce message and consume it, and we can also use this server in our application develop. Now the Kafka server is running on 9082. So first of all, let's create a new topic. So after starting the Kafka server, which is running on localhost 9092, I have created a new topic called test topic, and the full command is this one, as you can see, and it is showing that a new topic test-topic is created. Now let's list down all the topics, and the command is this one, and it is showing the test topic. So if I want to create a new topic, then I can just simply type, let's say I want to create a topic as payment topic, and it will create a new topic. And if I list down, as you can see, both topic is listed down. So now let's open a producer console so that we can see how a message is produced and consumed. Okay, so for that I'll type a command here. This is the command for producing a new message under the topic test topic. And let's create a new command prompt and place it parallelly so that you can understand the consumption. So to open a consumer console, the command is this one. So let's open the consumer first. So now the consumer is running, and now this one is the producer. So my consumer is running on test topic, so it has to be test-topic. So my consumer is running here and my producer can produce message here. So if I press enter here and produce a new message like a sample Kafka message. And at the same time we can see this, that this consumer just consume this. So if I type a separate message, another message, this consumer is consuming it. So this is how we can easily use Kafka. So if you want to use this Kafka on your application, you can just simply add bootstrap dot servers equal to localhost colon 9092. So that's it. If you want to learn more, you can just go to Kafka quick start guide. Here you will see all the things. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.